Hello guys, welcome again to the channel. This is Global Online. This is a place where we make money together online. Yeah. So if you're new to this channel, I welcome you. Yeah, I also want you to subscribe to this channel because in this channel we'll give you tricks, we'll give you ideas, we'll give you motivation, we'll show you a lot of things on how to make money online. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification icon, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a like, so that I know you really appreciate what I'm doing and you love my content. Yes. So without wasting much of your time, what I'm going to do today is to show you how to place your ads in the United States. How to place your ads in the United States. Yes, as an affiliate marketer, one of our major problems is how to get traffic, and especially from the United States, because most affiliate programs that actually converts well, that actually pays well, they are from the United States. So we need to get this traffic from the United States so we can make our money. Then also, if you're having a program with an affiliate site that deals in merchandise, most of them will always want to ship within the United States, not outside the United States. Yeah, most of them will love to save costs and ship only within the United States. So if you want to make money from such sites, you have to place your adverts in the United States. You have to create a kind of way where people get to your affiliate link in the United States. And that is what I'm going to show you today, how to get traffic from the United States. So one of the tools, one of the websites we are going to use today is pennysaverusa.com. pennysaverusa.com. So this website allows you to place an ad in the United States for free, allows you to pay and paste an ad in the United States for free. So what we're going to do first is check the ranking of this penny saver. Let's check the ranking of this penny saver, how big the traffic is, because our major aim is to get traffic to our link. Yes, is to get traffic to our link. We will not want to just enter any website like that will not even will not be able to achieve our purpose. So in order to check the traffic rating of these websites, we'll go to an app known as similarweb.com, an app called similarweb.com. So when we get there, we'll type penny saver. Let's see how this website is doing in the ranking among other websites. Okay, that's come up here. Okay, so this is pennysaver.usa.com. You can see it's it's an old company since 1962. These are the numbers of employees they have in the United States, California. This is their annual revenue. It's an e-commerce and shopping website. You can see their ranking, their global ranking, 395,000. Yes, you know there are billions of websites out there, and if this is having a global ranking of 395, then it's doing very well. Also in the United States, it's ranked 34. It's ranked number 800 it is ranked number 84,000. Yes, number 84,000. This is also a good ranking in the United States, where we have millions of websites. Yeah, so you can see their ranking. Then you can also come here to see their monthly traffic. You can see the monthly traffic. You can see that the traffic is growing. In the month of April, they have 98,000 visitors to the site. Now, you can see the countries that has the most traffic, which is the United States, and that is what we want. We want our traffic to be from the United States, and 63% of the traffic on this website is from the United States. So this is good for us. And United States is a T1 country, meaning it's a rich country when it comes to affiliate marketing. Yeah, so you can see even Nigeria is here. I'm in Nigeria, and I'm happy to see Nigeria about 1%, and that 1% I tell you is a huge number. So we'll go back to our pennysaverusa.com right now. Yes, this is our pennysaverusa.com right now. We've seen that this website is ranking well, and we'll have traffic there. So what we'll do is we'll place an ad right now. Before you place an ad, you want to register. Yes, I've already registered, but the registration process is very easy. You just need to verify your email, and you begin immediately. So let me sign up because I'm already registered. Okay, yeah, this is my page in Penny Saver. This is my dashboard in pennysaverusa.com. So what we want to do is to place an advert immediately. Let's place an advert from here. Okay, the advert I want to place is a merchandise, which is I think they have a very good market in the United States, and they ship abroad, but it's easier if you get their traffic from United States. Yes, so what we'll do is I'm going to place an advert of one of their products in the United States. So just follow me and see how I'm going to do it. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button, and give me a like. Yeah, so please don't forget. So we have different categories here. We have the job, the merchandise, the arts and entertainment, cars and vehicles, food and dining, pets, etc. So I'll just go for the merchandise because I told you I want to promote a cloth. So I come here, I go to clothing. You can see different categories. You can choose from any of them. So I go to clothing. In the categories of clothing, I go to girls clothing. Yeah. So what I will do right now is to go to my affiliate website, and the affiliate website I'm going to use today is First Grabber. I'm already signed into First Grabber. So in case you're new to First Grabber, please sign up. I've already made a video for this First Grabber before. So I made a video for First Grabber and Yazin. So if you want to watch that video about this First Grabber, if you want to know more about First Grabber and Yazin, as a very good affiliate site that deals in apparels mainly. Yeah, if you want to know about them and if you want to register, I've created a video concerning this. So I'll leave the link to that video at the end of this. So just stick around, watch till the end of this video. Yeah. So this is, let's say I want to promote this this dress right now. So what I want to do is to take this as a heading of my advert. Yeah, so I copy it. Okay, as a title, I paste it. It's already here, so I paste it. Even the description, I paste it here. Now what I want to do right now is the link to this affiliate product. I am going to put it here. I can put it here, but this is just its description, so the link will not be clickable, but I can as well put it here if I want to. So the good thing is, if anybody see this ad, they will contact you via mail, so you will have to leave our email address here. So the description, I'll leave it like this, but if you're very creative, if you're a good say copywriter, you can make this a better description. Yeah, and you remember the price we saw there, it was $20.99, $20.99. Yes, so this is the price. Now if you have another offer for it, you can click here, or we don't have any other offer, we'll go with this alone. Then you can choose the email. What I did with the image was I snipped it. I use a snipping tool in the system to snip it. I use a snipping tool in the system to get the image. So I'm going to show you the image again. Let me show you the image again. Yeah, this is the image. So what I did was to use a snipping tool to snip it. I already have it in my system, so I'll just drag and paste it there. So I'll just drag and paste it there. Okay, so this is the image of the clothes. Yes, another good thing about this platform is you can upload a YouTube video. But I'm not going to upload any video. But if you have a video, maybe you've made a video on YouTube concerning the products you want to advertise, you can as well put the link to that video here. This will also help you to grow your YouTube views. Yeah, so what I want to do next is the zip code. Now I don't have a zip code for the United States, so here at this juncture I'm going to show you another trick. What I'll have to do here is to get a zip code from the United States, which I don't have right now. So we'll go to this website called Fake XY. It's an address generator in the United States. It generates fake address in the United States. So once you come to Fake XY, automatically you're going to see an address that has been generated for you already. Anytime you click on refresh, you get a new address. So this is an address that has been generated for me. What I want to do is to get the zip code from this address. This is the zip code from this address. So let's refresh and see, so you can see what will happen. Now it has changed. You can see it has generated another address, and this is also a female. I'm promoting a female clause, so let me leave the seller as a female. So I highlight and copy the zip code or the postal code. I come to my paste. Okay, you can see it is checked. So Bellingham, it is in Bellingham. So let me check the name there. Let me check the name there. I can also use the name in case they want to call me, in case they want to send me a mail. I can use the name there. So fake address generator.com. Okay, so Washington. Okay, it's in Washington, United States. Okay, look at the name they generated. Okay, I copy. Now what I want to tell you about this site is they get a virtual address for you from this site. These details are completely virtual, but in any form or any website that they require a details from the United States, if you fill in all these details, they are going to check out well. The form is going to be accepted. Yes. Why this is generated is some websites are really not secured, so a lot of people don't want to put their real details in that website. That is why such fake address generator is available. It's not really illegal. It's just to protect your information. Yes, it's just to protect your information. If you're living in the United States and you don't want your information to be out like that because of the insecurity of some of the websites, you can generate a name from here to use. That is why these websites are out there. There are many of such websites out there. So I come to my penny saver page, the name of the person. I just paste. Okay, so this is the name of the person. I'll not want to put the phone number because I don't want them to contact me through phone. The number may not go. So what I want to do is to leave it like this. But I want them to have my email. They can contact me through my email. So what I'll do is to show my email on the listing, yes, so that they can contact me through my email. Then I click here, I am not a robot. But before I continue, let's check if every other thing checks out well. Okay, everything seems good. So I'll just continue from here. Okay, now you have these various icons that you can put to your products. You have the pour icon, and they actually you actually have to pay for them. This is the United States flag is $2.5. The clearance icon is $1. Negotiable price icon is $1. So you can choose any of these and actually pay for them. But I am doing a video for 0 payment ads in the United States, so we'll leave it like this. But if you have the money, you can actually click on any of them. It's going to boost your ad on this website. So what I'll do is to publish immediately. Everything has checked out well, so let me just publish. Okay, your item will be posted in 15 minutes. I tell you it has already been posted, so let me show you. So this is, you can see you have successfully placed your ads online. This website doesn't waste time. Before 15 minutes your ads will be online. You can even check your ads to see how it is. Now this is the ads here. These are I can check the ads to see how it will appear on this website if another person is checking it. So this is the location of the company. You can see the location. You can see the name of the seller. This is the address. So what they will do if they see these ads, you can see previous ads that I have posted concerning this apparel. I posted 2 ads for this apparel. So you can see the third one. I am making this third one to educate you on this how to use this website. So with this, now you can put your ads on pennysaverusa.com and start selling immediately. If you're selling merchandise, this is especially good for merchandise. So anybody that sees this advert will want to contact seller, and if you click contact seller, you have your company name, you have your email, phone number is not there, but if the person wants to put his phone number, he can put his phone number. Then this is the message. They can just send you a message, hi, can I get a price for this product? And they send a message to you, and when you get a message in your email, you reply them. Another good thing is having their email is also good. You can use it to build your email list. In fact, you need their emails to build your email list. All right, so this is the trick I'm going to show you. I want to show you today. So thank you for watching till the end. I know you've learned something from Global Online. Yes, I've shown you some tricks. Yeah, I've shown you how to paste ad in the United States. I've shown you an affiliate program that I use, First Grabber. You can also sign up to that affiliate product. To that affiliate program using my link. The link will be in the description of this video. Then I've also shown you how to generate a fake address in the United States using fakexy.com. Yes, so thank you for sticking to the end of this video. And okay, thank you. This is Global Online, and don't forget to watch the video you've seen on the screen. In that video you'll be introduced to First Global and Yazing affiliate programs. So please watch those videos. They will be helpful to you. Yeah. So thanks for watching. This is Global Online, and I am out. Peace.